Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is arc length and sector area. A sector is a pizza slice and the fraction is what matters. By the end of this you'll know both formula, the single structural pattern they share and the easy mistake that confuses one with the other. Definition: arc length equals theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Sector area equals theta over 360 times pi r squared. Theta is the central angle of the sector in degrees. R is the radius. Two formulae, same structure, a fraction of the whole circle. Key insight: both formulae start with the same fraction, theta over 360. That fraction is what slice of the full circle your sector takes up. Once you've got the fraction, multiply by the circumference for the arc length or by the area for the sector area. Same fraction, two uses. Common slip: don't confuse arc with sector. The arc is the curved edge of the slice, just the length. The sector is the area of the slice, the filled-in region. One is a curved length, the other is a two-dimensional area. Different units, different answer. As a quick example, radius 6, sector angle 60 degrees. Arc length equals 60 over 360 times 12 pi. That's 1/6 of 12 pi, which is 2 pi. Sector area equals 60 over 360 times 36 pi. That's 1/6 of 36 pi, which is 6 pi.